In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a photo into a pencil sketch with Photoshop Generative Fill. We'll turn any photo into a clean hand-drawn look using simple tools, and I'll explain why each move matters so you can tweak it to your taste. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and loading the image you want to transform. With your photo in the Layers panel, duplicate it so you have two identical copies. Press Ctrl+J on Windows or Command+J on Mac. Having a duplicate lets us build the sketch effect non-destructively while keeping the original beneath for reference. With the new copy selected, go to Image, then Adjustments, and choose Invert. This flips the tones of the image, preparing it for the sketch illusion. Next, add an adjustment layer for hue saturation and drag saturation all the way down to 0. Removing color focuses the effect on light and shadow, just like real graphite. If any color still peeks through, double check that saturation is set to 0 and that the adjustment sits above your image layers. Now select the inverted image layer and change its blending mode to color dodge. Don't worry if your screen goes almost white, that's expected. This mode brightens based on the underlying tones and sets us up for the crucial blur step. Head to Filter, then Blur, and select Gaussian Blur. Slowly increase the radius slider until the edges reappear as soft pencil lines. There isn't a perfect number here. Subtle images may look great around a very low value, while high-resolution photos may need a bit more. Aim for clear contours without muddying the details. You can move the preview to important areas like eyes or textured edges to judge the effect more accurately. When the edges look right, select all three layers, the original, the inverted copy, and the hue saturation adjustment, and merge them into a single layer. Merging at this point locks in the base sketch, so the next filter affects everything consistently. Go to Filter, then Filter Gallery, and choose Photocopy. Adjust detail and darkness to taste. Higher detail sharpens fine lines, while increased darkness deepens shadows. Take a moment to match the look to your subject's texture, whether you want a delicate line drawing or a bolder charcoal style. Use the preview to compare before and after. Small changes can have a big impact on the paper-like feel. To polish the result, go to Image and click Auto Tone. This quickly balances highlights and shadows, bringing clarity to your sketch without overcomplicating the workflow. Feel free to pause and revisit any section as you dial in settings for different photos. And that's it. Your beautiful pencil sketch is ready. If this tutorial helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.